In this video, we'll go over how the character's body is automatically switched to a high heel foot when wearing high heels, the mesh specifications required for creating high heels, and how to set up body swap signal in the item data. Unlike regular shoes, high heels change the angle of the character's feet when equipped. To support this, the game automatically sends the body swap signal when high heels are equipped, replacing the default feet with a dedicated high heel foot mesh. In this tutorial, we'll explain how this body swap works and the requirements for creating a compatible high heel mesh. When creating high heels, do not use the default foot mesh as your reference. Instead, model your shoes using the dedicated high heel foot mesh that will be swapped in-game. There are 3 different high heel foot types available. Each one has a different foot pause and height. For heel 01, the toe position is the same as heel 02, but the ankle is positioned at a different height. On the other hand, heel 02 and heel 03 share the same ankle height, while the toe position differs. Be sure to remember these 3 foot types when creating your assets. Here are a few examples taken from existing in-game shoe assets. For high heel 01, the item uses body heel 01. For high heel 07, it uses the body heel 02 body type. And high heel 05 uses the body heel 03 body type. Use these examples as a reference when deciding which high heel foot type best matches your own shoe. Next, let's look at the body heel base mesh. In each DCC package, click Open ModKit Asset to locate the appropriate files. Use those reference assets as the basis for creating your high heel mesh according to the required specifications. For this tutorial, we'll use the existing high heel 05 asset, which is based on body heel 03, as our example. Once you've finished creating the asset, click the Export Asset button in the ModKit plugin. ModKit plugin includes all of the required export settings, so you can simply click the button to export the asset without any additional configuration. First, create a new mod project. Then navigate to Create a ZOI, Clothing, Shoes, Adult, where you'll find the existing high heel sample assets included with the ModKit. For this tutorial, we'll create high heel 05. Create your mod project, add a new shoe mod, and enter the name you'd like to use. Once the project has been created, you'll see the high heel 05 mod in your project. Now let's import the assets you created. After importing all of your source assets, assign each one to the appropriate slot. Next, check the foot type setting. As mentioned earlier, you'll see that high heel 05 uses foot type 03. The drop-down menu currently includes options up to high heel 04. However, High Heel 04 is a reserved ID and is not currently in use. The available foot types are flat, High Heel 01, High Heel 02, and High Heel 03. As shown in the reference image earlier, High Heel 05 is designed to use body heel 03. Once you've finished setting everything up, package your mod. After packaging process is complete, launch the game. You'll see that the mod you created has been added successfully. Equip the high heels and verify that the body swap signal is working correctly. The character's foot mesh should automatically switch to the correct body heel type when the high heels are equipped. To summarize, the key steps are to create your assets using the correct file specifications and assign the appropriate body swap signal. When the correct signal is assigned, the game will automatically replace the default foot mesh with the matching high heel body whenever the shoes are equipped.